Today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make $25 and up 500 daily by using or leveraging a system. And system, it stands for save yourself time, energy, and money. The reason why I'm using those systems, and I think a lot of people are using it, is because it's easy to leverage the expertise of someone that made up that system. Since a lot of people are interested in making money by making digital products, and also they need traffic, because no one is going to buy from you because you don't have results, you don't show up every day, and you can't fix a problem in the affiliate space. So Affiliate Mentor Spark is one of the biggest launches in 2025, and the reason why using systems is because we can be affiliate, we can build our email list. First thing, guys, you need to do is getting into system. Like I told you, it's gonna save you time, energy, and money. Why? Because you need to focus rather just watching those videos and trying to jump in from a side hustle to another side hustle. I believe the best thing that's going to happen to you is ending up with an email list, and you can totally do a lot of things with an email list. You can promote anything that you want, you can help people, you can show that you are authorship or expertise and become an expert. Skip this part about being an expert, because if you're not teaching something, you're not going to become an expert. So experts are experts just because they're teaching every day. And there is this formula, it's called SDT, study to teach. You can just get inspired from this video and start making videos about the same thing. So bear with me, I'm going to explain to you not only how to use this system in order to make money, but also I'm going to share everything for you so you can get your first commission and your first $25 or maybe up and maybe more by leveraging systems. So Affiliate Mentor Spark, it's a list building affiliate program, and the reason why it's made is to help people to make money, also to build their email, especially if you don't have a huge cost in order to spend on landing pages or maybe hosting your own digital products. And like I told you, many beginners, they don't have expertise. So this is your shot, this is your time in order to train yourself, improve yourself every day, to show up, create content, and becoming an expert by teaching. Believe it or not, you don't need to be an expert. You just study, do it, and teach it to people. You just watch a video, study, do it by yourself, by just learning from the videos, and shoot a video or maybe post on Facebook or Instagram. Day after day, you're going to improve. Day after day, you're going to get into this sales machine, which is one of the best, the biggest high paying niches. Everybody on the internet is selling. If you don't sell something, you're not going to get a lot of money. Or you can just go and make some side hustle that is not going to pay you. Like, for example, you can look for apps that is going to pay you maybe $1 or $3 or maybe $5, and at the end you will find out yourself without your own team, without people that will thank you for presenting or giving them an opportunity in order to become one of your own team. So stop looking for motivation. This thing will not come. You need to act fast. You need to build your email list, because like I told you, one of the best things that could happen for you, imagine just 1,000 leads, or from those 1,000, let's say 100 will buy from you. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. This is why you need to get into systems and start mastering art of selling. Because like I told you, one of the biggest behemoth in the internet, as we know, is Amazon. Amazon owns by Jeff Bezos, and guess what? The entire business is about selling. It's connecting a customer with a retailer or a seller. This is how they made their money. So you need to sell something. So in the description right below, I'm going to give you a link, so you will be redirected to this video. You need to watch it in order to understand what you are getting to. After that, you click on I'm ready, and you pay just one payment, which is $25. The system will try to upgrade you, because that's where the magic's gonna happen. The system, it's like an AI, will do everything for you. It's going to try to upgrade any member that you bring in inside the system, which is more money, and you can 10x your income by upgrading later. Or maybe if you're serious, you can upgrade to the core or VIP club, and you will get more money if you upgrade to the core level or VIP club. But as for you, you can test this with just $25 and start inviting people to the system. But there is one thing I didn't tell you, that you don't need to recruit or promote or invite your family or your friends. You don't need that, because stop going to your friends and ask them to join you. Stop that, because you need to know there is something is called customer avatar, which is targeting the right people. And the right people that will end up with you, they will get you money. Also, you can network with them. You can do a lot of things. First thing you need to do is you need to go to the setup. Then you go to set up your e-wallet. First thing you need to do in order to set up your e-wallet, so you can get those commissions in order to get paid. So there is an autoresponder. In order to collect lead, you can set up this by, if you have an autoresponder. If you don't have an autoresponder, you can connect it. Once someone is going to join you, the system will collect his email, and you can do a series of emailing until you get more sales. Maybe you can use a landing page. I don't know. There's a lot of techniques. I believe one of the best is having a landing page. Don't send the whole traffic to the sales page, send it to a landing page in order to collect the leads, and after that you can connect with them by sending them emails. And it's easy to make emailing right now, especially if you use ChatGPT. So if you go to Spark, you will get into something. It's called 2x2 matrix, and this is where the magic happens. Because this is the power of team, because I will help you to place 2 people under you. Like, for example, I'm going to help this person because I'm just getting started. I'm going to help the first person in order to get in 2 people, and the second person the same thing, so I can cycle up. And by cycling up, I will get $50. So $25 will goes to your sponsor, $25 will goes to my sponsor, and another $25 will goes to another cycle or another 2x2 matrix, which is doing the same thing, which is building another team of 2 people. And my team also can do the work if they want to. Maybe they experience, they know how to get in leads. If getting 2 or 3 sales or placing 2 people, or maybe 4 or 5, I will cycle up very fast. You are winning with your own team, and you are winning with yourself. So either you do it by yourself, but I believe the best thing is not just relying on the system, because like I told you, the reason why we are paying for this system is not just getting money, is building our team, is building our email list. That's the core, that's the foundation. If you click on Auto Recruiter, you can see your leads, also your links. If you go to links, you can grab any lead capture page. So basically I just tested this, and as you can see, you can do campaigns to see hits, the leads. Like this one hits, it's 70 hits, no leads. So I'm doing a lot of things in order to test which the sales page is going to perform well. And I will do more videos in order to give you what's the best VSL or capture page. You can see your stats, your commission, your rank and badges, and there is a lot of badges you can earn after achieving a certain level. This is the top earners. This is the top leaders bringing new people to their team. This is the top leads generated according to the leads. You can see each day, or maybe 2 days or 3 days, you can get into the leaderboards to see exactly if you are ranking. I'm going to place 2 people under you, or maybe 3 people, it depends. This is for the people that are going to join with $25 and test this system. If you want to go deeper and upgrade, it depends on you. Once you see results, you can upgrade and or earn. I'm going to do other videos, guys, sharing my journey with you. And like I told you, I will do my best in order to help the people that are going to join under me. The link in the description right below. So feel free to join if you think this is going to help you build your email list and make money while building it. This is where you're going to promote your link. So as you can see, I'm a member of a lot of Facebook groups like this one. So affiliate marketing and make money online. So people are posting free ads so you can promote your business. And I do believe some of the groups, they don't have strict requirement like you should have a domain name, but I believe having a domain name is going to help you not feel spammy. Also make sure if you grab a domain name, it's going to be professional, but it's optional. If you don't have domain name to do a redirecting to the VSL or the capture page, you can just grab any link like I told you. Once you're in the system, you can use any link here in order to capture the email list of the lead, or you can choose the VSL which is responsible of selling for you. That's it. I'm going to make an additional follow-up video explaining how to get in leads on Facebook. Also, I will do another video about YouTube in order to get additional leads so you can build your email list very fast and make sales. Like I told you, the system will do everything for you. It's gonna sell, it's gonna upsell, it's gonna do a lot of things for you in order to make additional commissions and start doing a good money online. As you can see, guys, I just type in affiliate mentor Spark. Look at this. So this marketer is making a video 1 month how to turn $25 into commission. Spark affiliate mentor. This is a video. If I'm typing affiliate mentor Spark review, another thing, which is a video, another video. So people are looking for reviews, affiliate mentor Spark. But to me, I don't think you need just to rely on the system. You need to do some extra work in order to boost yourself, improve yourself, in order to promote other things. Because like I told you, one of the best things that is going to happen to you is ending up with an email list. Because you need just to set yourself with 1 hour. Just focus with 1 hour. Making videos like this, posting some free ads on Facebook, and bring some of the people. For example, if you do Facebook, maybe people do want to see a video. So guess what? If you made a video like this, you can just direct them to your own video, and after that you're going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So this is the power of passive promotion. Because I like YouTube, you can just shoot a video, it's going to get a lot of views. So in the description right below, guys, you will have a link to join Affiliate Mentor Spark using my link. Feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have questions, I will leave a link to my Facebook profile so you can DM me on Messenger. If you do have questions, feel free to ask me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with another video.